In the heavens, you can see two kinds of objects, the fixed stars and the planets. The former hardly alter their relative positions, while the latter, such as Mars and Venus, move across the sky according to certain laws and do not keep in position with the stars. Our own Earth is one of these planets, while the Sun is one of the fixed stars, only ever so much nearer to us than the rest. How and when the Earth was formed is not known for certain. Astronomers think it was hundreds of millions, or even several thousand millions of years ago. They also think that the earthing other planets were parts of the Sun, which were thrown off as it whirled round in space. All the planets still revolve around the Sun, as they did when they first become detached. As far as we know, however, ours is the only planet which supports life. Although you can read fascinating stories of the men that are thought by some to live on the planet Mars. But for over one-half of its history, the Earth was probably too hot to support any life at all. And when life did appear, it consisted of small, single cells living in the warm water, rather like the scum which you can find in the pools and ditches at the present day. Very gradually, over many millions of years, life took on different shapes and forms. Animals grew bigger and began to live on land at first for only a part of their time, like the modern frog, and later for their whole lives. Huge forests grew up amid the hot swamps which covered the face of the earth. These forests are still with us, only in a far different form, as they have gone to coal the which heats our house and drives our machines. Then bigger animals appeared, huge reptiles over 100 feet long, but with very small brains, while in the sky could be seen the first birds flying, dragons with long, sharp beaks and wicked eyes. We are getting nearer to our own time now. Smaller animals with large brains began to drive out the huge, small-brain reptiles. These smaller animals of today, the elephants, tigers, horse, and dogs. The earth, too, grew colder and killed off many of the earlier plants and animals. These were the famous ice ages, when during 4 periods, the earth was in the grip of Jack Frost. In these ice ages, we find the first traces of man.